Hello everyone. As we all know that Meta and Microsoft has introduced the Llama 2 model and which is free to use. So if you are not familiar with the coding process, in my previous videos I introduced you how you can download the Llama locally in your laptops and etc. So if you are unfamiliar with the programming and you want to enjoy the features of Llama 2, then the Llama 2 chatbot is live now, and which is just similar to the open AI playground. So we can access this model with three ways. I will be making videos on each of the method one by one. In this video we are going to the main website of Llama 2, which is basically Llama.ai. So let's move to that. Okay, so as you can see from here, I have opened Llama2.ai, and on the left side of it, we can see we can choose a Llama 2 model, and we can set adjust the temperature, and after that its precision and its maximum sequence length. Basically these are the tokens, and we can have access to the other useful resources. So if you recall the exactly, are you if you are familiar with the OpenAI playground, OpenAI playground was quite very similar to this one. uh, in that we also use to adjust the temperature and its sequence length, and we used to select models, and those models were something Ada and Da Vinci and etc, all like that. So in this chatbot we have three models basically, which is Llama 2 70B, Llama 2 13B, and Llama 2 7B, and all of these models have different attributes and different uh, associated properties with them. So first of all, let's compare the performance of these models. I will not change these settings. You can change these settings as per your choice. If you are trying to use its API for any kind of app development, such as if you want to generate any kind of blogs or etc, then you can use these APIs just like you have been using OpenAI APIs, and you use to adjust those parameters. So in this video, basically my purpose is to explore this overview and ask its some questions. I will be comparing these models with the chat GPT 3.5 version as well, but in other videos. So I have selected Llama 270B model, and let me ask him about some personalities, and we will see what kind of difference it provides us. So, hi, who is Elon Musk? So let's start by asking it famous personalities. So since it is trained till December 2022, and it has access to all of the uh, research articles and all the reports, so it will give us very fine-tuned answers. So, as per Llama 2, Elon Musk is a well-known entrepreneur and businessman. Okay, with he has ambitious goals, definitely. Okay, he's the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, and okay, he is known for his innovative ideas, etc., etc. So I asked Llama 2 about the Elon Musk, and he has provided me some useful answers. So let's move to the Llama, other model of Llama, and Llama 13B. I will make a separate video on this smart prompting on the Llama 2 model as well. Basically, in this, I'm going to show you how you can simply use the basic Llama to layout and use it for questioning and answering. Okay. Now I have switched the model, and I'm asking it about something bigger. So let it insert it in the form of a prompt. Describe the seventh wonder of the world. So let's see what it gives us. Okay, so it has gave us a very short and brief answer. Basically, as we have adjusted it maximum length to 2040, so it will always squeeze my answer into this. So it is saying that seventh wonder world is a term used to describe this that, and there is no one universally accepted seventh wonder of the world, but some can. Okay, so there are multiple candidates in this domain, but no one has accepted a proper seventh wonder. So let us ask the same question to the other model of this one. So we will see what kind of difference it has. Now I have changed the model, and let me ask it. So once again I have repeated my question, and we will see what is the difference in both of these answers. So I can't see any significant difference in this answer. There might be a possibility that all of these models are basically pre-trained in a very similar or unique way, so these can be used in certain ways. I will explore these models a little bit, and after that I will come up with basic difference on the basis of examples, so we can properly use a certain model for a specific task. So hopefully you would have liked this video. In this video I have tried to show you an overview of Llama2.ai. This is the official website of Llama 2. In my next video I will be exploring Llama 2 access through the Hugging Face, and after that I will access it from open source, another platform. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have any